Ka Sorkar India kalapha Ngut ki Ophisar ban Jurip ya ka Shillong jingman jo ka school ba North Eastern Hill University Nehu hadian ka jinga khi ka sengi Samla pule North Eastern Hill University Students Union Nehu su bat ka seng kinong hikai North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association Nehu ta haba sedang ka senam pule academic year 2000 haki benai ka ayom per m kini Ngut ki Ophisar ki kenthop ya u additional secretary Sunil Kumar Baranwal bad u Subrat Kumar Pradhan Director Department of Higher Education ban pet bad bishar bha ya ka jinglong jingman ha ka ni ka school ba hadin ba kila wat benya kini Ngut ki Ophisar kin sapha ya ki report jong ki Khubor bahalor jong atnat education jong Sorkar India u Professor Lakhon Kama President ka Nehuta ulayat ho baka seng kinong hikai jong ka ni ka school ba kila bu ya ki jingdawa bat jingkerpat ki ba syai kedar syakini Ngut ki Ophisar jong ka Sorkar India Ulaong bakani ka school ba kam kwasho ya u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ban shimti biang ya ka shuki Vice Chancellor hakani ka school ba. U Professor Lakhon Kama ulapan paru daki ketin ki ba syai kedar. Baki nong hikai bat ki Samla pule ki kwa bakani ka school ba kan wan pai syaka jinglong ba jai bat pasuk basan. Kenang baki nong pule kin yat bet yat renti ulaong. U Professor Lakhon Kama ulaya thuru baka Sorkar India kalapan kre ban wan ra hijingkela hakini kitayo bat ki benai ban wan da ka pensyong nong rem haki report jong kini Ngut ki Ophisar ki ba wan Jurip haka arpuar tarik jemang hang ni ha Shillong. Hakawe bat kaliang kinong yalam jong ka Nehu su balalam khmat u Samla Riki de Buram Bamon Ilapan pau ke jing sungu iki bor jong ka Sorkar India ki bala sngap jar ki jing kerpat jong ki bat menta kila pha yakini Ngut ki Ophisar ban wan Jurip ya kajing shisha hakani ka school ba usamla Riki de Buram ulayat hu hadin balaya mirjing mut bat kini Ngut ki Ophisar ki jinga kran kila long ki badon akor ki bayat bet bat kini ki Ophisar kila pen i ya kajing sungu thu ki jing e bat ki jing dan kam bakar ki ban pen bet hanehu uni usamla ulapan pau hakmat jong kini Ngut da ka baong ngila ai jingmut syaki Ophisar jong ka Ministry of Education bakin yarap ban wanra ya ka jingsuk bat jingjai jai ha kani ka school ba kinong yalam ka Nehu su kila banjur da ka baong amde ban ai lat shu u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ban wan pai kum UVC ka Nehu hakmat kini Ngut ki Ophisar usamla Riki de Buram ulayat huru hakini Ngut ki Ophisar kipat ba ka Meghalaya kila Kenya u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla kumubri ubamdon ikhtiar shu persona non grata
and deans, and the second one was with Nehuta. It was a very fruitful discussion because the whole idea was look like the team came here to assess the situation that how we are doing with or without the regular VC, and certainly now without the regular VC. And I think we could convey the problem in the first meeting was the problem of the department and the school as such. But when we said as Nehuta just now, we highlighted and they know what is important. I don't have to repeat. I think you all have been here since November last year and you know what has happened. And certainly they also know that it has become very, very untenable for him to even think of returning to campus for sure. But what will be the solution is still being worked out, that how do we resolve this matter, because apparently they are keen to resolve the matter and we are also as a university, as Teachers Association, I think we are very keen to resolve this so that the impasse actually goes off. There has been some modalities that seems to be on the plate, but we have not yet finalized on any of those. Naturally they have finished meeting us, they are meeting Nehusu and after the Nihunsa and other stakeholders. The only thing is we are positive after meeting them that seems like they are willing to find a solution so that Nehu comes back to normalcy. And that is where I would I don't want to add anything more because things are only evolving because they are still here for next 5 hours. So probably before they leave, we should have a fair idea of what kind of solution we are looking at, keeping in mind that it is almost untenable for Professor Shukla, and we have made it very, very clear in no uncertain terms. We have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all. should not be an option at all.
Well,
So did you inquire why is the
Education
report
Ministry,
not yet submitted till now?
Education Ministry.
Yeah, indeed, we have asked, and they don't seems to have any reply, because they said yes, it is being investigated. But I feel that probably they didn't convey us, because we indeed started the meeting. That before we start the meeting, please tell us what is the outcome of that inquiry committee. But they said that no, we have finished the inquiry. We are still studying. But look like apparently they have already made up their mind. But what it is exactly, they are still not sharing with us. But we can only read between the lines. But they have not categorically said what is the outcome of that committee.
Did Professor Shukla attend the meeting through video conference?
No, certainly not. I don't think it is proper or it will be appropriate for him, because this committee independently came here to assess the situation, that when he is not here, what is the situation and what is the problem being faced by the university. I'm sure at different capacity, at different level, maybe he's interacting with the team that we don't know, we are not privy to it. But with the meeting of stakeholders in Nehu, he is not part of it at all. It is the acting Vice Chancellor, Professor S.M. Sungo, who is doing the needful and facilitating the process, convening the meetings and helping in the whole setup. And Professor Shukla is nowhere to be seen during these interactions.
Okay, thank you.
The meeting was wonderful, and we really appreciate the ministries that they have come here to our university to hear our grievances and to listen to us, because all this time we were waiting for a good resolution, so to say. And yes, we are hoping that they're coming to our university today. We hope that we will get a resolution that will be acceptable to all the stakeholders of this university.
Well, the education department is mum on the this inquiry.
Yes, we have raised this question to them, and they said they are still taking it up, and I hope we will get the report very soon. Yes, like I have said, the meeting went wonderfully, because there was a kind of a communication whereby both of us, we have listened to each other, and they have even asked solution from us. We have given solution from our side, and they have also suggested from their side also what not to do in the future. Vicky Deburam Rawan, I'm the Vice President of Nehu Student Union.
With regard to the
our demand was like before only. We will never change this one. We have stand firm with this decision that no matter what, for Professor Shukla, we will never accept him in our university. And even the local people of Meghalaya also have declared him as a persona non grata. Therefore, his presence we will not accept, no matter what.